Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Outlander Sport. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.